Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about how to change hotspot name in Vivo phone. As you want to change your hotspot name in Vivo phone, so you can change. In this video I will show you how to change it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting to change hotspot name. Network and internet, click hotspot, click Wi-Fi hotspot, click then guys hotspot name, click then guys tap here and guys got it. So guys now you can change your hotspot name like phone Vivo phone Vivo phone, then guys okay. So guys now you can see hotspot name has changed in our Vivo phone. So I think friends you have understood how to change hotspot name in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.